So listing solid error parts in Tekla Structures 2020. If we have a model here, we quite simply go and say diagnose the model itself. It will then list any solid errors, which it's found 3 as you can see here, so solid creation has failed. If we double click then, hold the Z key down, double click, you can see it's zoomed in and found those solid errors quite simply, and it allows me to fix those before we go any further. So you can see here, click on that, you can see the ladder hoop has failed to be solid created, and you can see here for example that that plate has also got a solid error problems within it. We can see what the solid error there is. It's weld preparation on the actual welds themselves. So if we change that, just change that weld preparation to none, we can then see the solid now is correct. So if we run the diagnose model again, we should just in this case now have 2 errors. So there we are, now 2 errors to fix. So it easily allows me to find, identify and fix solid errors that may occur within the model itself. It's a good check on all models for in any case to make sure there are no problem elements within there.